Ever wondered how to achieve a natural makeup look? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down the art of the no makeup look into easy-to-follow steps. We'll be focusing on commonly used products and offering affordable alternatives. We'll also cover application techniques in detail, making sure to address adjustments based on various skin types. This tutorial is all about enhancing your natural beauty and boosting your confidence. Ready to dive in? Let's get started with the first step, prepping your skin. A great makeup look starts with well-prepared skin. So let's dive into how to get your skin ready for that natural, fresh look. First off, cleansing. This crucial step removes impurities, leaving your skin fresh and ready to absorb the goodness of the products that follow. Next up, toning. It's not just about refreshing the skin, but also about balancing its pH levels. A good toner can help tighten your pores and prep your skin for the moisturizer. Speaking of, moisturizing is the third step. Regardless of your skin type, moisturizing is key. It hydrates and nourishes the skin, providing a smooth canvas for your makeup. Lastly, we can't overlook the importance of sunscreen. It protects your skin from harmful UV rays, which is essential even on days when you're indoors. And there you have it. 4 essential steps to prep your skin before starting your makeup routine. Now that your skin is prepped, it's time to move on to the base makeup. The secret to a natural makeup look lies in the base. It's all about creating a smooth canvas that enhances your natural beauty rather than hiding it. So let's dive right in. First up, we have the foundation. The right foundation can make all the difference. It's crucial to find a shade that matches your skin tone perfectly. No one wants to end up with a face that's a different color from their neck, right? But don't worry, there are plenty of affordable options out there. Brands like Maybelline and L'Oreal offer a variety of shades, catering to different skin types and tones. Now, how to apply it? Start by dotting your foundation on your forehead, cheeks, and chin. Then, using a beauty blender or a foundation brush, blend it outwards towards your hairline and down your neck. Remember, the key here is to blend, and blend some more. You're aiming for a seamless transition that gives the illusion of natural, flawless skin. Next, we move on to the concealer. Concealers are perfect for camouflaging those pesky under-eye circles or any blemishes. Much like the foundation, it's essential to find a concealer that matches your skin tone. Affordable options include the ELF Camo Concealer or the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Application is simple. Just dab a small amount on the areas you wish to cover and gently blend it out with your fingertips or a small brush. But remember, less is more. You don't want to pile on too much product. The goal is to subtly brighten and even out your skin tone, not to create a mask. And there you have it. With these simple steps and affordable products, you've set the stage for a natural look that highlights your innate beauty. But don't stop here. Makeup is all about experimenting and finding what works best for you. So feel free to play around and make these techniques your own. With your base done, it's time to add some color. Adding color to your face brings the natural look to life. But remember, subtlety is key. Too much color can easily overpower the natural look we're aiming for. Now let's add some warmth and glow to our face with blush, bronzer, and highlighter. Blush is a great way to mimic a natural flush. Opt for a shade that closely matches your cheeks when they're slightly flushed, maybe after a small workout or a brisk walk. Apply lightly on the apples of your cheeks and blend it outwards towards your temples. This gives a youthful, fresh-faced appearance. Bronzer, on the other hand, is used to create a sun-kissed glow. Choose a shade that's only 2 shades darker than your skin tone. Lightly dust it on the areas where the sun naturally hits your face, the forehead, cheekbones, and jawline. Make sure to blend well to avoid any harsh lines. Next, we have the highlighter. This is used to mimic the natural glow of healthy skin. Apply a small amount on the high points of your face, the tops of your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, the brow bone, and the cupid's bow. Remember, a little goes a long way. Now let's move on to the eyes. A soft, neutral eyeshadow can enhance the natural beauty of your eyes without making them look overdone. Apply a light shade on your entire eyelid, a slightly darker shade in the crease, and a shimmer shade in the inner corners to make your eyes pop. Lastly, let's add a touch of color to our lips. Opt for a lipstick color that's close to your natural lip color, but a shade brighter. This will give your lips a naturally flushed look. Apply lightly and blot with a tissue for a softer, diffused look. Now that color is added, we're nearly there. Let's finish off with setting your makeup. Remember, practice makes perfect, and it's okay to make mistakes. The key is to have fun while doing it. Setting your makeup is the final step to ensure it lasts. Think of it as the final seal that locks in your hard work. It's the invisible shield that protects your makeup from the elements, whether it's humidity, heat, or just the passage of time. Now you may be wondering, spray or powder? Well, both have their merits. Setting spray is great for a dewy, natural finish. It's easy to use, just hold it at arm's length and mist your face. Allow it to dry naturally for the best result. On the other hand, setting powder gives a matte finish, perfect for those with oily skin. Simply dust it lightly all over your face using a fluffy brush. This will also help to blur any imperfections. Remember, less is more. You don't want to end up looking cakey. That's it. You've successfully achieved a natural makeup look. But remember, practice makes perfect. Congratulations on completing your natural makeup look. You've journeyed through the essential steps to create a fresh and radiant appearance that truly enhances your natural beauty. You've learned how to prepare your skin, creating a flawless canvas. You've discovered how to apply base makeup, balancing the fine line between coverage and a light, natural finish. In the world of color, you've explored the art of subtlety, adding just the right touch of blush, bronzer, and highlighter to accentuate your features. You've also mastered the art of setting your makeup, ensuring your look stays fresh and vibrant throughout the day. The key to perfecting this look lies in practice. The more you experiment and practice these techniques, the better you'll become. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for your skin type and personal style. Makeup is a mode of self-expression, a tool to highlight your individuality. There's no right or wrong way to do it. It's all about what makes you feel confident and beautiful. This natural look is just a starting point. Feel free to add your personal touch, maybe a pop of color on the lips or a flick of liner on the eyes. The options are endless. Keep practicing and soon you'll be able to achieve this natural makeup look in no time. Remember, confidence is the best makeup you can wear.